Welcome back to DeeBeeGee's Virtual Black Doll Museum on YouTube, where video notifications of new doll installations are published weekly. This week's installations include Ruby Red Fashion Friends James by Ruby Red Gallery, released in 2022, is a 14-inch all-vinyl articulated doll. James has a removable wig, is limited to 100 pieces, and sold exclusively through Happily Ever After online doll shop. James has a certificate of authenticity that is numbered 003. Jada, Voice of the Future, is the second installation for this week. This doll is also from the Ruby Red Fashion Friends collection by Ruby Red Toys. Released in 2024, she is all vinyl, articulated, and the included brochure provides details about Jada's music theme. The third installation for this week is Ruby Red Siblies Fan Edition Kyra by Ruby Red Toys, released in 2025. Kyra is string jointed vinyl. She has inset eyes and a synthetic fibered wig. Kyra stands 12 inches tall and has a pillow doll with an image of a black doll printed on the front and back of stuffed white knit fabric. Kyra is from Ruby Red Siblies Fan Edition, created from a drawing submitted by a Ruby Red Dolls fan. She comes with a story card with details about her creation. Links to each installation are in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, visit the museum website at virtualblackdollmuseum.com. Find the subscribe button, enter your email address, and you'll be updated by email when new installations are published. Thanks for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing. Your comments and feedback are also appreciated.